Do insurance companies require specific door reinforcement for coverage on high-value properties? Yes, many insurers set higher security standards for high-value homes and may require reinforced doors and hardware to maintain coverage or qualify for preferred rates. Start by obtaining the insurer's written requirements for entry defense because wording and thresholds vary by carrier and by the value bracket they use. Install 3-inch long screws in strike plates and hinge screws to anchor into framing rather than just the door jamb, and use a rated deadbolt with a minimum 1-inch throw that is certified by an independent testing body for forced entry resistance. Fit a full metal or solid core door that meets the insurer's specified rating or thickness, and if glass is present near the lock, install laminated glazing or security film to prevent easy access. For added protection, consider a reinforced strike box or jamb reinforcement kit that transfers force into the studs and not the trim. And document every upgrade with dated photos and original receipts to speed claims and remove ambiguity. If an insurer asks for a security assessment, hire a licensed locksmith or security professional who can produce a concise report showing compliance with the insurer guidelines and specific measurements of hardware and fasteners. Always notify the insurer before making changes that could affect coverage and request written confirmation that the work meets their conditions. Common problems include installing inadequate screws and strike plates that fail under force, which is fixed by replacing short screws with 3-inch structural screws into the framing and using a high-quality reinforced strike plate. Another frequent issue is relying on hollow core doors or decorative doors that look solid but are not, so replace them with solid core or metal doors and keep the product specifications on file to show compliance. A third concern is poor documentation, which can create disputes after a loss, and that is avoided by keeping clear dated photos, purchase invoices, installer receipts, and any professional assessment reports in both physical and cloud storage for quick insurer review. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills. We also host an active discussion community where members share real-world experiences about insurance requirements and security upgrades so we can learn from each other.